Dubai Green Planet, a thriving ecosystem amidst the cityscape. In today's video, we will explore Dubai's Green Planet, a unique ecological attraction nestled within the heart of the beautiful city. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of this man-made tropical forest and discover how Dubai is embracing sustainable practices. Dubai's Green Planet is an awe-inspiring biodome that houses a rich variety of flora and fauna. It is a pioneering project aimed at recreating a complete rainforest ecosystem in the middle of the desert. Spanning over 2,500 square meters, this enclosed paradise is home to over 3,000 plants and animals from diverse regions around the world. The Green Planet's architectural design is both stunning and sustainable. The building incorporates innovative techniques to optimize energy efficiency and reduce water consumption. It features a unique cylindrical shape with a central tree-filled atrium that allows natural sunlight to filter through, minimizing the need for artificial lighting. As we step inside the Green Planet, we are immediately immersed in the sights, sounds, and smells of tropical rainforest. Lush vegetation, towering trees, cascading waterfalls, and mist-filled air create an authentic and immersive experience for visitors. The temperature and humidity levels are carefully regulated to support the thriving ecosystem. Dubai Green Planet is dedicated to conservation and education. The biodome showcases a vast range of plants and animal species, including exotic birds, reptiles, insects, and mammals. Visitors can learn about the importance of biodiversity, the challenges faced by rainforests worldwide, and the initiatives taken to protect and preserve these fragile ecosystems. The Green Planet offers various educational programs and interactive experiences for visitors of all ages. From guided tours and workshops to animal encounters and feeding sessions, there are plenty of opportunities to learn and engage with the environment. The attraction also hosts school field trips, promoting environmental awareness among the younger generation. Dubai's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the Green Planet. The city has implemented several eco-friendly initiatives, and Green Planet is one among them. These efforts aim to reduce carbon emissions, promote renewable energy, and build a greener future for the city. Thanks for watching. Please give us your valuable comments and suggestions. We would like you to press the like button if you have liked this video. If you enjoyed the content of this video and have not yet subscribed to the channel, we would appreciate you subscribe this channel to get notified for our future videos.